Good morning, I'm Trisha. So, we are discussing the chapter 11. So, chapter 11 titled Hazarzal and Philippine Nationalism, National Symbol, discusses how symbols serve as a powerful representation of a national culture, unity, and identity. So, it emphasizes that Dr. Hazarzal himself is a great hero, a great national symbol whose ideas, heroism, and writing embody the true spirit of us Filipino people. So the lesson also explains the importance of both official and unofficial symbols that reflect the country's traditions, culture, and values. Example includes the anahaw leaf for resilience, the mango as a national fruit, the nepa hat representing a simple Filipino hope, the carabao symbolizing the strong and hard work of us Filipino people. Then, the milkfish or bangus for adaptability, adobo as a national dish, and the Cariñosa as a national dance of affection. Furthermore, House Bill number 3926 officially recognized national symbols such as Philippines eagle, South Sea pearl, and arnis as a national sport, the Nara tree, Sampaguita flower, Philippine eagle, and among others. So, the bill further declared other national icons like Barong Tagalog, Barot Saya, Bakya, Jeepney, and even the national motto, Maka-Diyos, Makatao, Makakalikasan, at Makabansa. Altogether, this chapter highlights how Rizal and these national symbols plays a vital role in fostering patriotism, national pride, and a strong Filipino identity. Thank you.
So this is the continuation of the report of Ms. Monton. So according to House Bill number 3926 sa Pilipinas, formal na i-adapt ang mga national symbols at na ang Manila bilang kapital. So sa Malacanang Palace as the seat of government, Filipino as the national language, which is Bayan Ko, as the national song at ang national motto, coat of arms at flag. Istorya po diri ang importansya sa national symbols sa heroes, lalo na si Dr. Rizal. Sa paghubog ng Philippine nationalism, ang mga ideas at legacy ni Rizal ay nag-inspired ng unity at patriotism at patuloy na kinilala ang Filipino identity. Then, klase-klase po ang government action of at executive orders na nag-formalize sa pag-celebrate ng Rizal Day at pag-honor sa mga Filipinos hero. Sa pamamagitan ng Executive Order number 75 in 1993 na pinirma ni President Fidel V. Ramos, binuo ng National Heroes Committee na ilalim ng National Historical Institute para i-evaluate at mag-recommend ng mga national heroes base sa specific criteria. So lahat para i-promote ang patriotism at cultural pride sa mga Pilipino. Base sa recommendation ng committee, kinilala ang mga sumusunod na national heroes ng Philippines na si Dr. Rizal na lumalaban sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga pinaagi sa iyang pagsulat o mga ideas. Si Andres Bonifacio ay leader ng katipunan na lumalaban sa revolusyon. At si Emilio Aguinaldo ang unang presidente ng Pilipinas na nag-lead sa revolusyon at nagdeklara ng independence. At si Apolinario Mabini ang brains of the revolution na nagumabay sa gobyerno ni Aguinaldo. Si Marcelo H. del Pilar, reformist at editor ng La Solidaridad, Sultan Dipatuan Kudarat, defender na Mindanao laban sa Spanish Conquest. Juan Luna, painter at patriot na ginagamit ang art para sa pag-inspire ng mga nationalism. Si Melchora Aquino or Tandang Sora na sumusuporta sa mga revolutionaries sa pamamagitan sa paghatag og food o mga shelters. O si Gabriel Silang, female revolutionary leader na lumalaban against sa Spanish forces. So, iprinoclamar din ang Rizal Day noong December 30, 1898 at idineklara ni General Emilio Aguinaldo bilang National Day of Mourning. Kaya sila nga mga heroes ay nag-contribute o bigyan ang development ng bansa. Then nagpakita po sila og moral integrity, patriotism at self-sacrifice. At nitabang po sa paghubog ang mga Filipino national identity. Ang unang celebration ni Rizal Day ay ginanap noong December 30, 1898. Then apil na ang mga unveil sa unang monumento ni Rizal sa Det Camarines Norte. Ang purpose na anak kay para i-honor si Rizal o ang tanang mga Pilipino nga nag-sacrifice ng buhay nila para sa freedom. Sa pamamagitan ng Act number 345 in 1902, opisyal na ginawang national holiday ang December 30 para alalahanin ang martyrdom ni Rizal. Pinalakas pa ang pag-observe ng Rizal Day sa pamamagitan ng Republic Act number 229 in 1948 kung saan ipinagbabawal ang cockfighting, horse racing at iba pang distraction sa araw na ito. Sa Administrative Order number 44 in 2002, pinalakas ang national observance ng Rizal Day sa tanang government of educational institutions. So si Rizal ang pinatay noong December 30, 1896 sa Bagong Bayan, ngayon ay Luneta Park. At ang kanyang death ang nag-inspired sa mga Pilipino na ipagpatuloy ang paglaban para sa independence, marking it as a turning point of the Philippine nationalism. Kahit walang formal na declaration, si Rizal ay undeniable ang national hero o symbol ng Philippine nationalism para sa kanyang symbolic importance. Pag-alala sa kanyang martyrdom, literary contribution at core values. Si Rizal ay symbol ng identity kung saan ang kanyang life at writings ay reflective ng mga Filipino history. Acclaimed siya as a great Filipino. Ang kanyang mga martyrdom ay nakita bilang symbol ng Spanish operations. Base sa mga historians, natanggap-tanggap si Rizal dahil sumisimbolo siya sa assimilation at peace na align sa American colonial policy na pabor sa non-violent means. Ayon kay Teodora Agoncillo, dagdag pa ni Renato Constantino, patay na si Rizal noong nagsimula ang American occupation, kaya naging safe at least controversial figure para sa i-promote ng mga Americans. Si Rizal, kauban ng iba pang propagandas, nagsulat og daghang mga works na humubog sa Philippine consciousness tulad ng kanyang mga novels na No Limit ang Harry at El Filibusterismo. Essay tulad ng On the Indolence of the Filipino at The Philippine Within a Century o ang iyang annotation ng Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas ni Antonio de Morga na naglalayong i-emphasize ang distinct Filipino culture, government, at maritime history na hiwalay sa Spanish rule. So, base sa historian ni Michael Joshua, dako ang contribution ni si Rizal sa paglikha ng new national sentiment sa mga Pilipino na pumilit sa old fragmented idea sa pamamagitan ng Call of Unity na ipinahayag sa kanyang concept na ng La Liga Filipina, isang archipelago na united into one compact, vigorous at homogeneous nation. Ang karakter ni Rizal ay defined by a depth of set of moral principles na kanyang practice o advocated. Morato, thank you so much.
Jose Rizal, the Philippine national hero, embodied strong moral values, selflessly serving his country and inspiring its fight for freedom. Commemorated through national holidays and recognized by key figures, Rizal's legacy continues to shape Filipino identity and ideals. Jose Rizal remains a pivotal figure in Philippine history, embodying the nation's highest aspiration. His life was defined by unwavering moral principles, including honesty, self-sacrifice, and love for his fellow Filipinos. These values fueled his dedication to the country and inspired its struggle for independence. Officially recognized through national holidays and honored by key historian figures, Rizal's legacy continues to shape Filipino identity, serving as a beacon of patriotism, integrity, and social progress. In this document talk about how Jose Rizal is remembered as a hero, Philippine like Fidel V. Ramos and historians helped make sure he was recognized. Rizal's death made him a symbol against Spanish rule, and his writing inspired Filipinos. He valued love for God, country, and courage, which guide Filipinos even today. Jose Rizal's enduring legacy as a national symbol is reinforced by various historical and cultural factors. Figures like Fidel V. Ramos contributed to his recognition through official acts, while historians such as Michael Ziao Shoa and Ambet Ocampo have emphasized his lasting influence. Rizal's martyrdom or death became a potent symbol against Spanish oppression, further solidifying his heroic status. His writings, including the novel and essays, serve as a unifying force, inspiring a sense of national identity among Filipinos. Core values exemplified by Rizal, such as love for God, nationalism, and courage, continue to serve as directives for Filipinos shaping their aspiration for a sustainable and independent nation.
Rizal's virtues. Rizal exemplified moral excellence and patriotism through his love for justice, honesty, self-sacrifice, fortitude, and devotion to truth. He valued his parents' exercise. These qualities reflected his deep concern for his fellow men and his nation. So, criteria for national heroes. Under Executive Order Number 75, 1993, National Heroes Committee, or NHC, was formed to study and recommend Filipino heroes. According to the NHC's 1993 to 1995 criteria, a hero must have a clear concept of nation and fight for its freedom, define and contribute to a system of life and order, improve the quality of life and destiny of people, represent the people's aspirations and think of future generations, be recognized for the process and actions that shape their heroism. Historian Teodora Agoncillo note Rizal heroism aligned with peaceful reform ideas and was recognized by American colonization. Recommended national heroes. Based on the NHC evaluation, the following were recommended: so si Rizal and